Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Orion Jobs. Today we are showing Western Railway Apprenticeship Recruitment 2021. Before going to that, if you are watching this channel for first time, please subscribe this channel for getting genuine job vacancies at the earliest. Western Railway Apprenticeship Recruitment 2021. Western Railway has published a notification for the enlistment of 3,591 apprentices for various trades on its official website on May 2021. The candidates selected will be provided with a training for 1 year in the designated trades under Apprentice Act 1961. The online registration process for detailed vacancies are started on 25th May 2021 and last day to apply is 24th June 2021. The vacancies in the Western Railway is Mumbai Division, Vadodara Division, Ahmedabad Division, Ratlam Division, Rajkot Division, Bhavnagar Division, Sabarmati Ahmedabad Division, Dahood Workshop, Bhavnagar Workshop Headquarters. The education qualification needed is the candidate must possess matriculate or 10th class in 12th examination system with a minimum of 50% mark in aggregate from recognized board to eligible to apply for apprenticeship. The age limit is minimum 15 years and maximum 24 years as per age. The application fees the candidate should pay is ₹100. The fee for SC, ST, PWD women's candidates are 0. The technical qualification needed to apply is ITI certificate is a compulsory in relevant trades for which apprentice slot are available. The trade announced by Western Railway in its notification are fitter, welder, turner, machinist, carpenter, painter, mechanic, programming and systems, administration assistant, electrician, electronics mechanic, wireman, refrigeration and AC, mechanic, pipe fitter, plumber, draftsman and stenographer. The candidates wishing to apply should log on to rrc.wr.com. You can directly apply the link which is provided in the description box. Better job. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and keep watching.